The Blue Wing Solar Farm was the first large-scale solar photovoltaic or PV facility in Texas and is among the largest PV farms in the U.S. It produces 14.4 megawatts of electricity, which is enough to serve approximately 1,900 homes in CPS Energy's service territory. The amount of greenhouse gas emissions that will be offset each year as a result of this facility is an estimated 18,200 tons. That's the equivalent of taking nearly 4,000 cars off the roads. Altogether, there are 214,500 main panels, 9,400 demonstration panels, and over 12,000 rack support posts buried 6 feet in depth, as well as 200 ground rods and over 100,000 feet of ground cable. This project includes a 500 kilowatt or kW demonstration facility, which is comprised of 8 different solar panel manufacturers. One is a concentrating photovoltaic system that tracks the movement of the sun throughout the day. UE Solar Incorporated developed, designed, and built Blue Wing. The project is owned by Duke Energy, and the power is purchased by CPS Energy under a 30-year purchase power agreement. Construction at the site began in March of 2010 and was completed in only 8 months. By November, the site was producing electricity at full capacity. Several San Antonio companies and local workers were employed to provide consulting services and labor for the project. At the peak of construction, there were 115 workers on site, resulting in more than 100,000 labor hours of construction work. This generated approximately $2 million in local purchases that helped boost the local economy. Workers install thin film PVs at Blue Wing because they offer a lower cost PV solution and perform well in diffuse light conditions, such as the hazy mornings in San Antonio. They also perform well under high heat conditions. The panels are designed and rated to withstand hail up to 1 inch in diameter. There are 24 pole-mounted lightning rods distributed around the site to help minimize damage from lightning strikes. So how does sunlight actually get turned into electricity? The process is actually quite simple. The photovoltaic cells in solar panels are made of semiconductors, such as silicon. When light from the sun, referred to as photons, comes into contact with the cells, a certain portion is absorbed within the semiconductor, resulting in the movement of electrons. The movement or flow of electrons exits through the connecting wire, resulting in electricity. The electricity then flows to an on-site power station before reaching the transformer. Here, the voltage is increased to 13,200 volts. This electricity leaves the facility and is directed to one of 2 substations where the electricity is distributed to local homes and businesses. This facility, along with CPS Energy's robust wind energy generation, will help CPS Energy achieve its ambitious goal of having 1,500 megawatts of renewable energy capacity in its diversified fuels portfolio by 2020. Renewable energy is a natural resource by which energy can be produced for many years to come. CPS Energy's strong commitment to environmental stewardship continues to be unwavering as it moves forward in growing its sustainable energy future.